Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW iX in Forza Horizon 5. First, navigate to the Festival playlist from the game's main menu. This is your hub for all seasonal events and challenges. The BMW iX is frequently offered as a reward, so checking here is your primary step. You'll find various activities that contribute to your progress, making it straightforward to earn this electric SUV. To unlock the BMW iX, you'll need to earn a specific number of points within the current seasonal playlist. Typically, this requires around 20 points. You can gain these points by participating in a variety of activities, including road races, dirt races, cross-country events, and PR stunts like speed traps or danger signs. Completing championships also offers a significant boost to your point total. After successfully accumulating the necessary points, head back to the Festival playlist menu. You will see the BMW iX highlighted as an available reward. Simply select it to claim your brand new vehicle. It will be instantly added to your garage, ready for you to customize and drive across Mexico. This powerful electric SUV boasts 523 brake horsepower, offering impressive acceleration. If you miss the seasonal event, don't worry. You can still acquire the BMW iX through the auction house. This in-game marketplace allows players to buy and sell cars. Be prepared to spend a significant amount of credits, often several million, as this car is highly sought after. Check frequently, as new listings appear constantly, giving you another chance to add this fantastic electric vehicle to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.